This is tutorial for hydrostatic pressure. Question 1. The basic element of a hydraulic press are shown in figure 1. The plunger has an area of 3 cm square and a force F1 can be applied to the plunger through a lever mechanism having a mechanical advantage of 8 to 1. If the large piston has area of 150 cm square, what load F2 here can be raised by a force of 30 Newton here applied to the lever. Neglect the hydrostatic pressure. So in this question, we will solve this problem by using the idea of hydraulic jack mechanism. So as we know, this force will push this plunger and then it will create a pressure here, because we know the relationship of force is equal to P times A. So means that we have an area here, and then for sure the existence of force at this right side will create a pressure. So and then this pressure will be transferred to this point, and then this pressure will multiply or will act on this surface area, and then it will create another force here. So according to this idea, the pressure will be equal at point 1 and point 2 here. So means that we could write P1 is equal P2. So and then we could rewrite this equation into this one, and then to calculate what is the value of F2, we could rearrange the equation like this. So and then we substitute the all the information, we could get it is equal to 1200 newtons. However, in this question, previously it says that this mechanism has advantage of 8 to 1. So means that this design can increase 8 times more outlet force here. So we times the initial force 30 with the mechanism from the mechanical advantage here. So we put the mechanical advantage numbers at this stage. So the total F2 that can be the total force that can be lifted by this mechanism is 1200 Newton.